Hi, can you tell me what you see in this image? Express using as many simple sentences as possible. The sun has risen. It's early morning. The room is bright. I woke up. I am happy. It's a bright and pleasant day. My teddy bear too woke up. My bed sheet is violet in color. My pillows have violet pillow covers. The windows have curtains. The vase is by the window. The vase has small green plants. There is a timepiece on the table. The night lamp is on the table. My book is on the table. I have long hairs. I am wearing white dress. I am enjoying the bright morning. Now tell me, what do you see in this image? Imagine as many sentences possible that fits this image. It's a bright sunny day. The children are playing with their dog. There is a green ball. They are playing in the living room. The boy is jumping on the sofa. The girl is trying to block the dog from taking the green ball. The boy and girl might be brother and sister. The dog and the girl are on the carpet. There is a vase with a small plant in the corner of the room. The windows have curtains. The dog has a color. The children are playing happily with the dog. The sofa is light gray in color. The curtains are dark gray in color. The boy is wearing jeans and t-shirt. The girl is wearing white shorts with blue shirt. She has white shoes. Her hair is pleated. The children look excited. Hope you are having fun. Try to make as many simple sentences from this birthday party image. Let's get started. This might be an evening birthday party. There is table with yellow tablecloth. The birthday cake is placed on the table. There are cookies, chocolates, candies, fruits placed on the table. There is a jar full of juice on the table. There are 2 blue cups on the table. The children have released the colorful balloons. These are red, blue, orange, green, yellow, violet balloons. All the children are shouting with excitement. The children are happy. All the children are raising both their hands and enjoying. There are 3 boys and 3 girls. They seem to be friends. Now let us move to the next image. Make as many simple sentences as possible. I am sure you can make more sentences than me. Keep it up. The little boy is with his pet dog. They are sitting on a mountain. They are watching the beautiful sunset over the mountains. The boy is wearing a white t-shirt. He has a hat. The white dog has brown spots. The dog has a belt around his neck. The boy is holding the strap of the dog. They are enjoying the beautiful sunset evening.
Dazzle Toons.